Hi Chief, wish you happy birthday. It's my pleasure to be part of your birthday celebrations. So talk about you, I think so many things, I don't have enough words to tell, but I think I'll go ahead and talk about you. You're a great mentor and you're a great coach, great leader and great speaker. You are a bank to all of us in terms of knowledge. So you learning and delivering to us is a great. So your leadership skills in the current industry is immense, and so you are given opportunity to so many families and champions. Your concern towards the people and champion families is great. I haven't seen your down-to-earth characters in any of the CXOs in Indian industry. So wish you happy birthday, many happy things for the day. So I'll request God and pray God and to give this day brings all happiness, peace, success and multi-million dollars deals to the organizations, which help all of us to grow together and which makes you also to grow and help us to grow parallelly. Thank you. Wish you happy birthday again. Enjoy the day.
One more birthday, Chief, and I see you growing younger and younger as you are working extremely hard for everyone here, and everyone here owes you so much for your altruism, guidance and helpful support and advice that you give us all. Thank you for all the inspiration, support and mentoring you have done all through these years. Keep up all the good work and never stop inspiring us all with the passion and determination you have. Thank you so much for everything. With a leader like you, all the objectives and tasks we daily have turn into pleasant and enjoyable process. Happy birthday to a person who through the years has shown that he is not only a great coach, but a good friend too. Today we are here to celebrate a career-free, stress-free and a joyous day, and I do have a question for you. The question is, what do you call the people who work for you? Well, the answer is, we call them very lucky. Wishing you all the luck, courage, fortune, wealth and good health and all the support and strength needed to continue a successful presence in this game. Happy birthday, Chief. And once again, if you ask me, if you see our champions who have won all these medals here, this because of your support. Thanks for all the guidance and support once again. Wishing you all the success. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Chief, we want to wish you a very happy birthday on your birthday, and it's not only the celebrations, we want to celebrate you on this day, and this is one of the major celebrations, I would say, and you have always been an inspiring person to me all my career, and would like to thank you for whatever we are today in this organization, and as a person we have learnt a lot from you, and you're actually a true champion. Thanks a lot. We wish you a great success, and look forward to be associated with you for a long time in all your achievements. We look to see strategic grow to the next level, and create more employment opportunities in this corporate space, and I'm sure together we will celebrate in future. Thank you.
Hi Chief, looks like another day in your kitty. I know you're growing old, but in meantime the energy what you show and the positive attitude what you show towards our champions and towards dedication towards champions and champion family growth is amazing. From my end on your birthday, a special wishes from heart. Wish you all the best, Chief. And yes, as usual, as you say, that up your services is our goal on your birthday. Have a great day, Chief. Thank you.
Hi Chief, happy birthday. It's been a long journey in strategy for the past 18.5 years. You have been instrumental in making all the leaders in top positions. It's nice to work with you. You are being such a gentleman. All the best. Have a nice year, Chief. On behalf of Helpdesk, I wish all the success in this coming years. Thank you.
As a boss, you have looked after us every step of the way. You have created leaders, champions. In return, we wish you success, health and happiness on your birthday. Dear Chief, wish you a happy birthday. Thank you.
Dear Chief, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the good health, success and happiness in your life. You are truly a role model for all of us, all us strategicians. You truly inspire us. May God bless you with good health and success and happiness in life. Happy birthday, Chief. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Hey Chief, today is a perfect day to tell you that you have been a wonderful boss and a leader, supporter, guide. May the God bless you with all the best things in the life. As a boss, you have been looked after us each and every step. In turn, we wish you the success, health and happiness on your birthday. With a leader like you, we are always been happy to serve you, to bring this organization up. We are always with you to take the company from good to great. Love you always. I wish you always the success comes our way. You will be the first and last boss of ours. All the best. Thank you.
Dear Chief, wish you many happy returns of the day, 22nd September. God may bless you all good health, happiness and prosperity. You are a true champion for all of us. So I like your way of speech, understanding of people, inspiration words, which will energize us to work more and hard. You are a true leader for all to us, having all the good qualities with you. Thanks for all your suggestions and support what you provided to us. Great day ahead. Thank you. All the best.